The Home Office is kicking off a major digital immigration transformation by 2025. In this video, we talk about how UK visa holders can replace their immigration documents.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
Good news for UK visa holders. You can say goodbye to physical documents and hello to the future of UK digital visas. The UK government is launching a major digital immigration initiative to transition visa holders from physical documents to e-visas. The rollout of digital status is the next stage in the government's plan to digitalize the immigration system and streamline border control and immigration processes for everyone. From April 17, 2024, visa holders in the UK will receive an email from the Home Office inviting them to create a UK visa and immigration account to access their e-visa. Invitations will initially be issued in phases. An e-visa is securely linked with the holder's biometric information to protect against identity fraud. Physical documents like biometric residence permits will gradually fade away in the UK, with most BRPs expiring at the end of 2024. The Home Office has pledged that by 2025, practically all visa holders in the country will be able to acquire an e-visa. E-visas can be accessed in real time from anywhere, empowering individuals to manage their data efficiently and update the Home Office with relevant information promptly. The UK government says the process is straightforward for people who hold physical and paper documents to create a UK visas and immigration account to access their e-visa. Creating a UK visas and immigration account will not change, impact, or remove people's current immigration status or their rights in the UK, the Home Office says. People who already have an e-visa don't need to do anything, as the Home Office will automatically make the change, but they should continue to update their UK visas and immigration account with any changes to personal information, such as a new passport or contact details. The process is free, something which will come as a relief for UK visa holders who have seen costs rise rapidly in recent months amid a changing system of rules that requires applicants to prove higher earnings. Visa holders are advised to continue to carry their in-date physical immigration documents with them when they travel internationally until they expire. To avoid delays when traveling, individuals who already have an e-visa should tell the Home Office about any passport on which they intend to travel, if this is not already linked to their account. E-visas can be accessed anywhere and in real time, putting people in control of their own data and allowing them to swiftly update the Home Office with new contact or passport details. The e-visa also allows government departments to check a person's immigration status to determine their eligibility for access to public services. Do you have your UK e-visa? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.